Hello and welcome. Today we're going to explore the various options you have for withdrawing funds from your TSP as you approach retirement. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Let me start by saying you don't have to make withdrawals from your TSP in retirement. You can leave your funds in the TSP, keep those invested in either the L funds or the 5 core funds. You have the option of doing partial withdrawals. Typically, if those withdrawals are going to something like your bank account, that's going to be a taxable distribution. And in many cases, the TSP will withhold 20% in federal taxes. If you take that partial withdrawal and you have the TSP send that directly to an individual retirement account, an IRA that you've already set up, that will not be a taxable event. You can also do a full withdrawal. So a full withdrawal has the same implications. If it's going to something like your bank account, that's going to be a taxable distribution. If it's going to an individual retirement account, that's going to be something that is not a taxable event. It's called a trustee to trustee transfer. The full amount will be deposited into your retirement account, and then you can make investment options from there. The annuity option is offered through the TSP, and you can get more information online, and I seriously recommend that you do your due diligence if that's an option you're considering. The annuity option gives you no liquidity to access your funds, but it does give you a contract for income for the remainder of your life. I'm just going to say this again, make sure you understand that option fully before moving forward with it. Lastly, you can do a rollover to an IRA. So if you have traditional TSP, the original TSP, you would generally roll that to a traditional IRA. If perhaps you have some funds in your TSP that have been put into the Roth TSP, you would move those to a Roth IRA. The reasons for doing something like this are additional investment options, additional flexibility, as well as much more optionality in terms of how you withdraw your income from your IRA versus the TSP, which can have benefits for longevity of your account over time. It's really important with any of these options that you consult your financial advisor or a tax professional to make sure you have a full understanding of what you're doing. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this information useful, please like, subscribe, or share with your peers.